What are domain and range? The domain describes the set of first elements of a relationship. The range is the second set of elements in a relationship. If we look at the table of values here, where we have the number of hours worked and how it relates to the gross pay a person makes. So we can see here that if a person worked 1 hour, they would get $15. They worked 2 hours, they would get $30, and so on, all the way up to 5 hours and $75. So what we're describing here is that the gross pay, which our variable is P, depends on the number of hours you work. So we would say that the dependent variable is P. Okay, so this is our dependent variable. Therefore, P is the dependent variable because your pay depends on your hours worked. So H would be the independent variable. So when we're talking about the domain and range, the values in your independent variable belong to the domain. So the independent variable describes your domain. So in our example, this would be your domain. So the domain in our case is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our range was our list of second elements. So our range would be P, or the elements in our dependent variable. So our range in this situation will be described by 15, 30, 45, 60, and 75. Okay? It's our dependent variable lists the values for our range. So we can see here that the hours worked, our first set of elements, is also our independent variable that describes our domain. The second set of elements under our dependent variable describes our range.